Let's begin.
Today's is about audio transmission and data transmission using Li-Fi. And the optical source we are using is laser. Okay, so let's see the laser block diagram of the project. So here we have two parts: transmitter part and receiver part. Okay, so let's see. For the power source, we are using a rechargeable battery, and for the data transmission, we are going to use Arduino Uno, and from on which the laser is connected. And for the audio transmission, we are going to give the audio input from the audio devices, like you can use the phone, audio player. Okay, any devices can give the audio output. Receiver side, we have a solar panel, audio amplifier, speaker, receiving Arduino. Okay, so let's see the working of it. The solar panel acts as the receiving device. The laser light falls on the solar panel, and the signal is converted into the electrical signal. Okay, the amplifier receives the audio pulses, and the output is displayed from the speaker. And the data transmission is done using the Arduino serial monitor. Okay, so whatever signal we are sending some text message. The text message is converted into the laser signal. Laser is turned on or off. The signal is converted into bit form 0 and 1, and the solar panel receives the signal. That signal is converted into the solar panel act as a LDR analog device, like the threshold light falls, that is converted to 1, and then when light is not falling, that is converted to 0, and that signal 0 1 is converted to the ASCII form, like the alphabets, numerical forms received on the serial monitor of the Arduino. Okay, so this is the working of the block. Now let's see the working of the project. This is our transmitting part, and this is our receiving part. So let's see the components that we are going to use over here. Okay, this is a rechargeable battery, and we are using the voltage regulator for powering of the Arduino Uno that works on 5-volt supply. It's basically a 5-volt regulated supply, and the laser light, 5-volt laser is connected to the aux cable and Arduino, and we are going to do the switching. This is the switches. If the switches are forward, the device is in audio transmission mode. When switches are backward, the laser signal is sent to the Arduino. Okay, it is basically connected to the Arduino. That now it is in data transmission mode. This is the receiving part, the rechargeable battery, power source for the Arduino, and the amplifier circuit for the speaker. Okay, here we are using a solar panel as a receiving device. This is a volume control knob. Okay, this is also the audio transmission and data transmission mode. When in the audio transmission mode, the signal that fall to the solar panel goes to the amplifying device and then to the speaker. When it is data transmission mode, the solar panel signal is being sent to the analog pins of Arduino from switching. Okay, so now let's see the working of the project. We have to connect this transmitter to the audio device, like we are using a smartphone over here. Okay, what we do is turn off the project device and the aux output cable. I see a small laser. When we play a audio, here you can see the laser light. Turn on the audio device. Convert this. Let's see. You can use the filter also to spread out signal. For better signal reception. Okay. We can also do the transmission in underwater also. Okay, it can be used in submarine for defense purpose also, for safe audio transmission. We have a water tank over here. underwater communication. Data transmission system. Okay. This is the sending system and this is the receiver part. Okay. So first we are going to code our sending system. Okay. So this is the code for the sending data. Here we are going to put the characters. Okay. We can put up text. And we can also change the array size. Like audio transmission system using LiPi. Let's upload the code into the sending part. Okay, now we have transport. Now we are going to code the receiver part. First we are going to check the threshold value for the solar. So we can check what is the 0 and 1 value. As we check the analog values from the solar panel. So these are the values. So we have now we got the threshold value to put in our code. Okay, so this is the threshold value we set. Now upload the code. Now we can see the data from the serial monitor. Okay. As I reset it, so we can see the data is being transferred directly to the water medium. Data is being transmitted through this. Like if I put my hand, this is data transfer. Remove it. You can see data transmission. Okay. So we have to align the receiver sending and receiving part. The text code for sending system. Let's connect the receiver part. So we are receiving the signal wirelessly in the water medium and also in the air medium.
Reset again.
Reset.
And in between break the signal. I want to see in between break the signal.
You can see signals break.
Break again.
Okay. So that's the way our project works. So we are successfully able to transmit the audio and data wirelessly.
One more thing, friends, you can search Xylite Technologies on Google. You will find our website, and on website you will find so many things about engineering projects like PPT, project reports, documents, codes, tutorials, etc. You can also come here for MTech project, BTech project, PhD project, and you can submit your requirement here to make the project custom projects. And in lab also you can come, and in lab you can make project by your own in our guidance in one day workshop. You can buy project component etc. from online or offline. Both options are available. If you want to make something unique, new, creative, just WhatsApp us on the number given in the description box. And guys, thank you so much for watching the video. You can subscribe to this channel for more project ideas, tutorial videos, DIY videos, etc. Thank you so much.